When I just started creating content here on YouTube, a lot of things gave me problem. Not just one problem, problems. Little things that are not supposed to give problems to anybody at all. A lot of them gave me problems. And as little as these things had, they are very, very important. In fact, I remember then I was always jumping from one comment section to the other, asking people how to go about them, how to do this, how to do this. And I hardly get response. I hardly get response that I could understand. In fact, when I search videos on how to do these things, I will still not understand what they are trying to say. It took me a long time before I started getting most of these things. That's why in this video I'll be showing you how to do one of these things, because trust me when I tell you that this thing I'm about to teach you how to do is very, very important in your content creation journey here on YouTube. You cannot do without it. If you want your videos to be getting views fast, you have to be doing these things and you have to know how to do these things. One of them is playlist. That is why in this video I'll be teaching you how to step by step on how to create playlist, because playlist is very, very important. You can use playlist as your card, you can use playlist as your end screen. You can copy the link to one of your playlists and then you put in your description box for each content or each video you're uploading. Playlist is very, very important and it is so underrated. So playlist is very, very important and it is so underrated. And trust me when I tell you that if you want your videos to start going viral, if you want your videos to start getting view more than before, you should be creating playlists. What is playlist for people that don't know? Playlist is sometimes when you finish watching a video and you click on their end screen, you will see that that end screen is not just a video that will come up, several other videos will come up. Like playlist is like compressing more than one of your videos into like a folder. Like you can pick videos that are related. You can even pick videos that are not related. You can playlist is just as if you're creating a folder for your video. And this folder, once somebody clicks on this single folder, it brings more than one of your video as long as you have added them to the playlist. So I'll be going to my YouTube analytics and I'll be showing you all how to create playlists. So you will go to desktop version of your YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio, continue to Studio. Okay, so I'll be creating like two playlists. I'll be showing you two examples from here. I'll be using two playlists to show you guys how to create playlists for me. So you will click on create, then you see upload video, go live, create posts, new playlist, new podcast. I'll be clicking on new playlist. Now, the title of my playlist, let's say I want to type how to cut and sew several stylish scuba dresses. Yeah, that's the title. For the description, you can tell people what your playlist is about, what is contained in your playlist. You can write all of that in your description. So for the description, I'll be saying this playlist teaches how to cut and sew trendy and Beautiful scuba dresses. Scuba dresses. So that's it for description. You can see that you can use 5,000 letters to describe your playlist. I just used 76 out of the 5,000 letters that I can use. Now, the visibility of your playlist, if you don't want to publish it yet, you can make it private, you can make it unlisted. If you just want to create it down, you don't want to publish it yet. But in my case, I want to publish it, so I'll make it public. Then the date, you can change the date from here. Now for the videos, I'll be picking this first, this next. I'll be putting 4 videos under this playlist, or 3 videos. I'll be putting 3 videos under this playlist, then I'll pick this next, and I'm done. If I upload a video that I still want to, once I upload a video that I would love to put, like I would love to add to this playlist, I can always come back to add more. But for now, I'm done. Then I'll create. It's that simple. It's created already. It is that simple. So now I'll go to my YouTube to check if my playlist is created already. So going to YouTube to check if my playlist is created already, view channel, I'll click on playlist here, and my playlist is created already. This playlist contains 4 videos. See, I mistakenly added this video. As you can see, this fourth one is not a scuba dress. So I'll just come here and remove from how to cut and sew several stylish scuba dresses. I'll remove this one. So I have 3 videos, and I mentioned earlier that I'll be putting 3 videos in this playlist. I have 3 videos, so it is that simple, and that's simply how to create a playlist. I hope this video is helpful or interesting to someone out there. If it has been, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, ask me down in the comment section, and don't forget that playlist is very important. You should be creating playlists. You should be putting your videos under playlist, because I'm still going to make a video of how important this playlist is. Once somebody clicks on one playlist that you have created, it shows them, like in my case now, to show them these 3 videos. So the person has the option of playing one of the 3 videos, 2 of the 3 videos, or probably, or even all the 3 videos. So playlist is very important. That is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. You should check out one of these videos that are currently showing on your screen.